Now the last thing we're going to learn is how to do corners. So corners are a bit different as well because you do have to turn as you get to the end. So again, same settings. Make sure your presser foot is lifted and your needle is up. So place the needle at the start of your line. Lower your presser foot, and again, the black line should be in the center of your presser foot. So we're going to step on the foot pedal. And when we hit this edge, we're going to stop. Okay? Make sure your needle is in the paper, so I just turn the hand wheel. At this point, I need to lift up my presser foot. If I don't lift it up and I try to turn with it, sometimes the paper will rip really easily. So make sure you lift it up and you turn until the line is again in the center of your presser foot. So I'll lower my presser foot. Sew to the end of this line. Put your needle into the paper. Lift up your presser foot. Turn. Lower your presser foot. Make sure your needle is in the paper. So you want to make sure your needle is in the paper all the time when you turn because it keeps your line consistent and going smoothly. Otherwise, you'll have lots of missing stitches when you sew. Lift up your presser foot, turn, stop, lift up your presser foot, turn, go till the end and stop. Lift up your needle. And now we have our corner lines.